What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Honda Garage Projects. So today we're strictly gonna try and get the sound deadening out. I have the sound deadening on both sides and on where the back seats were at. So I'm gonna try and get every bit of that out to help put in the roll cage. So you can see on each spots there's some up there. Probably not gonna worry about the stuff in the back because it's gonna be really hard to get to just because of the way it's set up there. So, but yeah, I'm really gonna try and see what I can do about those mainly 4 spots for the roll cage, and then see about getting that stuff up too. So yeah, I got dry ice, and then so we're gonna start crushing it up, putting it on there. Some people say to add a little bit of water, some people say you don't have to, but we'll see how it works for us. So we'll go from there. Well, at least it feels cooler in here. You can hear it cracking. You see it? It's making all kinds of funny noises. Alright, so now we're just going to let that sit there for a little bit and let it get all super brittle and start scraping it up. Alright, so what I'm noticing, I'm hoping the whole damn thing's going to come up in one piece. That would be pretty nice. So let's see what we got. Holy shit. Well, there's one. Ouch. So there you go. It's getting all brittle, starting to break apart instead of being super gooey. So I guess that was the biggest thing I forgot to do, is hit it with the hammer a bunch of times to get it loose from the actual bottom of the car. But as you can see, it's all starting to come up now. Okay, you kind of get the idea. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one up here, and then I'm gonna put you on a time lapse and do all the other ones. it's all out. I got all four sides because the down bar is gonna go, or I mean the hoop's gonna go here, so I'm gonna have to clean that up a lot for the plates. And then also up here is where the window bars are gonna come, so I have to clean that up really good. Same with that side. But other than that, the only other thing I have to clean up are gonna be the strut towers there and there, because I'm gonna have a bar that goes across, and then the back bars from the hoop is gonna go to that back bar that I'm gonna do down there. But I ran out of dry ice, so I wasn't able to get these off. But I mean, it's not much. I'm not even gonna bother with it. The back seat's gonna be there anyway. So, but other than that, man, it actually freaking worked really good. I recommend dry ice. That stuff came up like it was nothing. It took me, I want to say, maybe 20 minutes I've been out here doing this, so a lot easier, and actually worked really good. Other than that, I mean, that's going to be it for this video. Not going to be too much. This is just, you know, taking out the dry ice. Next is going to be, I get my roll cage on Thursday. Today is Tuesday, so I'll be able to start getting it ready and getting it prepped completely for the roll cage. And once the roll cage comes in, I'll do another video of getting that ready to start getting in here. But other than that, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one.